Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do here is the relay for the AC air conditioning system from Hybrid. And so we're going to start with just basically getting the power and ground to this relay first. So I'm going to start with taking this out of the bag, and I'm going to use this diagram that Hybrid sent me. So right here you can see the yellow is going to be ground. So I'm just going to use this connection and I'm going to crimp it to this yellow cable. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with finding a ground, and I have an existing ground here already. Take my relay, yellow wire with the ground. The white wire is going to be the 12 volts on. This white wire on this relay, we need to tap into a 12 volt, and you can get that source from your ignition, but what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get my source from the existing B harness. And here I have a test light. I can test to see, once you turn the ignition on the second position on the on, that should give it power. So that's the wire we're going to tap in. Oh, and that wire is on the B plug, and it is the yellow and black wire. Just gonna finish this up. Here on the black wire, mine is a 95, so I'm going to be locating the blue red wire on the B5. So we'll start with this black wire, and this wire connects to the B5, and the diagram shows that this is the A plug, the B plug is the smallest plug, and the medium plug is the D plug. And so here on the B plug, we're just going to count down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it does say blue red. So this is the wire that we'll tap into for the black. Okay, use the pliers to crimp down on this Scotch lock, and then once the black is connected to the blue red on the B5, go ahead and close that. Blue wire here, I'm going to connect it to the black red A15. Okay, so now with this blue wire, we are going to locate plug A, and the number is A15. And again, you just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's all the way to 15. And here is the black and red wire, so this blue is going to connect into this black and red wire. Go ahead and lock that up, and I'm just going to tuck these cables away. And with this relay, I will probably end up mounting it up here somewhere underneath, so that way it's just kind of out of the way, cleaner.